Oh no. Hey, Lucy. Lucy. Talk nice to Good Bird. That's your friend. Lucy. Lucy, stop. That's your friend, Good Bird. Now, be nice to him. Don't yell at Good Bird. See? Look, Good Bird's eating the food right by your cage. See? He ate the food. I'm not too sure about that, are you? It's alright. That's Good Bird. That's your pal. Good. Saying hello to Good Bird. Good girl. Good girl. That's better. You're telling Good Bird hi? Oh, good job, guys. See? It's okay, fans. Good Bird's gonna clean for you. It's okay. It's your friend Good Bird. Yeah, that's your friend Good Bird. I promise. It's okay. He's just cleaning under your cage. It's alright. Oh dear. Fancy. It's okay. It's alright. That's just your friend Good Bird. It's okay. Good girl, Lucy. Are you talking to Good Bird? Good job. Good girl. Oh, good girl talking. That's nice. You telling Good Bird hi? Dance, it's alright. Uh-oh. Lucy. Lucy, it's just Good Bird. It's alright. It's still just Good Bird, I promise. It's okay. Good Bird's just cleaning by your cage. That's alright. See? It's your friend. Luce, it's fine. You're fine. That's just Good Bird. He's just, I hope he's not stuck under there. I think he's fine. Oops. Good Bird's having a problem. Yeah. I think Good Bird might be stuck. Let's see if he can get his way out. I know. He got himself stuck under your cage. Yeah. Oh, here he comes. Ooh. No, we don't yell at Good Bird. We don't yell at Good Bird. That's not nice. He's still trying to figure out how to get from under your cage, though. Come on, Good Bird, you can do it.